Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to chat on Bumble. So let's get started without waiting further. First of all, download the Bumble application from your App Store or your Play Store and sign up for a new account using your phone number or your Facebook profile. Once you are done with it, open up Bumble and once you are done setting up your profile, start swiping left or right from the Bumble home screen. Swipe right if you are interested and left if you are not. If someone you swiped right on also swipes right on you, it's a match. Once you've matched yourself, you can then initiate a chat. Go ahead and look for the person that has matched with you and then open up their profile. Go ahead and select a person that has matched with you and tap on their profile picture. To initiate a chat, go ahead and enter a GIF, ask a question game, or simply type in a message. Send it to the recipient and make sure that it is delivered. Once the chat is initiated, you can then send messages back and forth. Now, wait for the other party to answer your chat. That is how you can initiate a chat on Bumble and find a potential match for yourself. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.